Frustrated with the Qqvip Library DLL pop-up blocking Tencent? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Ensure your Qqvip library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Qqvip library, a specialized library for the Tencent QQ Messenger platform that manages localized VIP account features and interface skins. It handles the secure handshake with Tencent's membership servers. Missing versions prevent the application from rendering premium UI elements, often resulting in a module initialization failure within the QQ client. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the Tencent installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of Tencent is the fastest way to restore Qqvip Library DLL and get the program running again. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Qqvip library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3. And if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Be aware that manual interventions for Qqvip Library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Qqvip library-related documentation. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Qqvip library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.